Song called Burdens.
I'll sit with the bird.